guys, today's lesson is going to be short and sweet. We are going to review mean, median, and mode. So, given the following data, so we have the numbers 8, 13, 24, 5, 10, and 12. If we were asked to find the mean of this set of data, what you would do is basically mean means average. So just pretend these were your test percent scores. Hopefully they'd never be, but just pretend they were. And you want to find what your average mark was. What you would do is you would add up all of the numbers. So you'd go 8 plus 13 plus 24, etc. Add all of them up, and that equals 72. And then you would divide 72 by the amount of numbers that there are. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So you'd go 72 divided by 6, which is 12, meaning that the mean is 12 or your average mark is 12. Okay, we'll do another example. Just say you had these test scores percentages, 79, 84, 96, 164, and you want to find the mean or the average. So again, you would add all of these up, 79 plus 84 plus 96 plus 100 plus 64. And that gives you 423. And then you would divide 423 divided by the amount of numbers that there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that gives you 84.6. You can round this to 85. So on average, your average mark would be 85%. Now let's talk about the median, which means middle. So given this set of data, 2, 3, 5, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Find the middle number. So for example, we choose 8, or sorry, not 8. Let me thinking. If we choose 11, 11 would be the middle number because there are 4 numbers after it and 4 numbers before. Now just say you had 2, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, and 7. To find the middle number, well, if we chose 5 in this case, oh, there's 3 numbers before, or 3 numbers after, 3 numbers before, so 5 is the middle number, but it's actually not because we haven't put the numbers in order. So we would have to rearrange the numbers to put them in order. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, and then we would choose 6 as the middle number because there's 3 numbers after, 3 numbers before. Now, just say that I had 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So I didn't have 12. I don't really have one middle number, right? Because if I chose 6, there's 2 numbers after and 3 numbers before. If I chose 5, there's 3 numbers after, 2 before. So basically I have 2 middle numbers. So what I would do with those middle numbers is I would find the mean. I would find the average of these middle numbers. So I would go 5 plus 6, which is 11, and then 11 divided by 2 because you're divided by the amount of numbers that are there. And 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Now we know that without even doing 5 plus 6 is 11 divided by 2. We know that between 5 and 6 is 5.5, but just in case you didn't, you would take the 2 middle numbers, find the mean or the average, and then that number becomes your median. Okay, if you had to find the median of this set of data, again, take these numbers and put them in order. 24, 51, 54, oops, I missed 49 in there. So 24, yeah, you gotta be really careful because it's very easy to make a mistake. So I got 24, then I have 49, then 51, then 54, then 79, then 82. So now my middle number, if I choose 51, I have 3 numbers after it, 2 numbers before. If I choose 54, same story. So I have 2 middle numbers. So I have to now find the average of 51 and 54. So 51 plus 54 is 105. And 105 divided by 2, because there are 2 numbers. So again, to find the median, to find the mean of those 2 numbers, you have to add them together, divide by 2, and that is 52.5. So the middle number in this set of data is 52.5. Now the mode is the number that occurs most often. So in this set of data here, we have 2, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 11. The number that occurs most often is 7. So the mode would be 7. In this set of data here, 79, 84, 56, 84, 56, 49, we have 2 modes. 84, 84 occurs twice, and 56 occurs twice as well. So the mode in this case would be 56 and 84. Okay, and your question for tonight is to calculate the mean, median, and mode for each set of data. So for A to D, for all of these, you're going to calculate all 3, mean, median, and mode. Watch the video again to check the difference between all of them if you need to. Make notes just so you know the difference between all of them. That will help for your work tomorrow. Have a good night.